Hey everyone, how you doing? We've got some exciting news for you. I reckon we're going to hit 10,000 subscribers on YouTube by the middle of September, right before I hit 44 years of age on the 17th of September or thereabouts. Now, if we can hit 10,000, we're doing a big giveaway. To be honest, either way, we're doing a giveaway. We have got some amazing prizes. Just look up what you can see on the screen right now. All you got to do is go over to the link in the description and subscribe. That's all you got to do. We're not asking you to tweet, share, subscribe, or anything like that. Hopefully you're already subscribed to our YouTube channel. If not, why not? But go and subscribe to our newsletter. Pick your prizes. You can pick more than one. And then we're going to do an online raffle giveaway live on YouTube where we put the names in and it picks the names out. I hope you're excited about this giveaway because we are. We want to ask so many amazing companies, and I want to say thank you to all of them for supporting us with our 10,000 subscribers giveaway. Hey, I'm Imran, Web Squadron. I think you should like, subscribe, share, and follow, and let all your friends know about it. I'll see you.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag.